Hello, circus fans. How are you? It's very hot. I hope you're all drinking plenty of water. I've spent a lot of time sitting at my desk working this week, and I'm a bit stiff because of it. So let's have a little moment of desk exercises. So we're going to just move our head gently from side to side. Don't force it. Don't go to the point where you can really feel it stretch. Gentle. Going to look from side to side gently. Thinking about well posture while we're doing it. Going to gently look up and down. And then draw circles with your chin. Record yourself doing it and notice afterwards whether your circles are actually circular. I don't think mine are. The other way. That one definitely wasn't a circle. Okie doke. We're then going to squeeze our shoulder blades together because I've spent a lot of time leaning forward over my computer. And then we're going to squeeze our shoulders together at the front. And do that a few times. And then we're going to do a little bit of side bending. So, bending over to one side and up, keeping our bottom firmly planted on the seat. And then wiggle, 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 wiggle. Big deep breath. Ready to go back to work after a bit more water. Stay hydrated. Keep moving gently in the heat. Is very tempting to just sit still and do nothing. Our bodies don't thank us for that. Have fun. Have a great weekend. See you soon.